Okay, now LSA3 actually is a route generated by ABR. The question: which router is the ABR? Area border router. Connect two or more areas and must connect area 0. This router is an ABR. In Cisco, if one router have this, here is area 1, here is area 2, here is area 1. This router is ABR not in Cisco. This is a router, not areas ABR, not ABR. If it connect another area here is area 0, now this router is ABR. So if you want to see LSA3, you must create another area. So R2 connect R3, use serial interface, belongs to area 1. Look back 0, R2 here, 10.1.23.0/24, .2.3. Here is the link. Okay. R4 add a new loopback 1, belongs to area 2, 44. Okay. Now configure it. R2 use serial 2/0. Push down 10.1.23.2. Okay, router OSPF 1 network 10.1.3.0 area 1. R3 interface loopback 0, 3.3, 10.1.23.3, 3.3, network 3.3, areas 1, 10.1.23.0, 255. Okay, now you can see the R2 and R3 establish OSPF neighbors. Okay, R4, this device create a new loopback 1, IP address 44.44. Okay. Network this interface belong to area 2. Okay. Finished. Now we check which router is the ABR. In this topology, you can see R2 connected to area. The one is area 0, one is area 1. So this interface, this router is ABR. R4 same. R4 is ABR2. Which router, which command you can show it is, you can display it. Which command? On R1, this router, you can use this command: show IP OSPF border router, border routers. This command will be show the ABR and the ASBR. Will be show ABR and ASBR. Here you can see 4.4 R4. This router is ABR, and 2.2 R2 is ABR2. Right? And you can see the distance from me to the ABR or ASBRs. From R1 to R2, the distance is 64. From R1 to R4, the distance is 10. Okay, this is distance from me to ABR or ASBRs. You can see it. But this command can't show itself, can't show myself. On R2, this router, you show IP OSPF border router. You can't see myself, itself. You just see R4. So this command just can show the ABR and ASBR except us, except itself, except us. Okay, 自己 self, except self, yeah, except self. So in R2 you can see R4 is ABR, and R2 from R2 to R4, the distance is 74. 74. Okay. This is a command. So another ABR and SBR except self. Have another other commands show ABRs? Yes. You can use this command. Show IP protocols. Show IP protocols. Show IP protocols. You can show self. You can show self. Show IP protocols. OSPF. It is an area border router. It is an area border router. Here it is, right? Show IP OSPF. This command also can show self. Show IP OSPF. Show IP protocols. You can show me. It is an area border router. It is an area border router. So three commands show IP border routers, except self, show IP protocols, and show IP OSPF can show just self, no others. Okay. So you can see which router is ABR, which router is ABR or ASBR. Okay, now we know how to check ABR. Now we need to check OSPF database. Show IP OSPF database. Okay, you can see the type 3 LSA called summary. Some router, some vendor called summary network. Some vendor called summary prefix. Actually is same, right? Actually is same. Link state ID. Link state ID is here. Link state ID is the root. Is the root. Now 3.3. You don't know this is route ID or roots. Actually, this is R3 loopback 0. Loopback 0. One loopback enable under in OSPF. This will be loopback network type. Loopback network type will be /22 host roots. Host roots. So you see the 3.3. If you want to see /24 roots, you can modify the network type to point. We teach it before, right? IP-OSPF network point. On R1, you show again database. you will be see the link state ID change to 3.3.3.0, right? So the link state ID actually is the root. The advertising router is ABR. See the topology. The 3.3 here. Here is ABR. Okay. The 3.3 from area 1 to area 0 will be through R2. So R2 will be generate LSA 3. Here is LSA 1. In area 1 is LSA 1. In area 0 is LSA 3. LSA 3. So R2 will be generate LSA 3 into the area 0. Area 0. Okay. So advertising router is ABR. Okay. We display the details. Show IP OSPF database summary. This is the type and the link ID, link state ID 3.3.0. Okay. Now we should we check the LSA 3. LSA 3. The above is LSA header. Here is network mask. Network mask. This is network prefix. This is mask. Here is metric. Here is metric. The metric means the distance from the ABR to the prefix. You can see here. Here. In R2, you won't be R2 is the ABR. You won't be reach the R3 loopback 0. This is distance from ABR to the prefix. We can show IP route IBR. You can see in R2 to 3.3.0, this route, the metric is 65. 65. So show IP OSPF database summary. Here, the metric is 65. Means from ABR R2, to this prefix, Okay. Now the LSA 3 is finished. LSA 3 link state ID is network or prefix, including network mask, and ABR to this prefix, the distance, right? The distance. So if a router want to calculate to the prefix, if this router want to calculate the distance to 3.3.3.0, this prefix, first you can use LSA 1 and LSA 2 calculate from R1 from me to the ABR distance. From me to ABR distance. What's the distance? Show IP OSPF baud router. You can see it. R1 to R2 is 64. Is 64. The second, this is use LSA 1. Or LSA 2 or calculate. Another, you will be plus ABR to the prefix. ABR to the prefix here is LSA 3 including this information, including this metric. Here is show IP OSPF database summary 3.3.0. You can see the ABR R2 to the prefix 3.3 metric is 65. So R1 to 3.3 is 26 plus 25 equal 129. 129. We check it. Show IP root. 3.3. You can see the metric is 129, right? 129. Here, this is the metric. The LSA1 and the LSA2 the function, and the L3 the function, right? Now LSA3 is finished. LSA3 is finished. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Visit our website below.